Okay, let's see what kind of lap we can put together. I kind of wish that the course wasn't quite so easy to enter. Because sometimes I'm like really pumped for the lap that's getting ready to happen, and then some folks will jump out. I'm like, that's fine, but there are definitely some times when I'd really love to see what sort of lap we would have put together if we could do 2 in a row. And just like, mainly for me, I can get a little bit more into the zone as a chase driver. Gave a little bump there. FB Mods had a rare angle stall, but it happens to everybody, myself included for sure. Yeah, got some nice simple tandem going on. Little tap. Very nice. Up to third we go. I'll push out. One of the favorite sayings that I like is, if you want to have an easy time tandeming, start close and stay close. Because like the less difference you're having to make up for in your run, the easier it actually is to stay close. We are doing that right now for sure. Yes, that is sick. Got a little out of sorts on my chase there, so we're gonna skate over that guardrail. Tagged him just a little bit. Sorry about that. My bad. Kind of prevented FV from being able to transition quite when he wanted to. Modulating that left foot brake just a little bit to get us where we need to be. Oh, we are in sync right now. Oh, I should have left foot braked. I was thinking about it and I was like, again, I'm like, oh, this is a sim. I need to learn. This is a skill I'm going to take into real life drifting when I get back on track. So let me just risk it, and if we hit, I won't do that shit in real life. God damn, yes. we've got a great chase too. We've got at least a 3-car train. As I accidentally typed something on my keyboard e-brake. This is what it's all about, guys. Like, getting to where you are able to anticipate and like really sync up with the lead car for just like, that was my fault, for just lap after lap. That angle stalled it there and had to let off throttle for a little bit, and we've been doing such a good job that the chase car understandably didn't expect me to be slow for a moment right there. But if you want to know if Assetto Corsa is realistic for drifting, this is it. This is your answer. I am not doing anything that I learned how to do in a video game. I am doing what I would be doing in real life. Granted, I'm a little bit braver than I would be in real life. Oh, finally killed it. Oh, that was awesome. That was amazing. Such a good time. Excellent leads. Thank you, FB Mods. I really look forward to these Friday nights and hanging out with everybody, driving, and just getting past that and moving into like, all right, it's weekend time.